Okay, here comes Stephanie. I'm recording the blizzard of 2011. Just shoveled the driveway.
Let me stand by the snow, David.
We probably have about 20 plus inches of snow. Stephanie's gonna come over by the, stand over here.
Stand here?
Yeah. Fortunately, my neighbor helped me with my driveway.
Get him on the video.
There's my neighbor Rick. Come walk this way toward the mailbox.
So we can see how high it is.
Yeah. Nice back-breaking work. Here's the sidewalk. Nice little path. Both sides.
Did you make the fort?
Wait, come back by the...
Come here, I don't want him to jump on the kids.
And here's the end, all the way up to the mailbox. We don't have a plow through the street yet, so the entire street is under snow, and we're waiting for the plow. And then, of course, we'll have about 4 feet of snow at the end of my driveway to push back.
All right, come on, go there. Come on.
Lots of snow.